guys, it's me, Felicity, back with another video. I still have these from Easter. They're little like eggs with something in it. This one's a Peeps sand toy, dough, and slime. So I'm going to be opening these today for a video and hopefully you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let's get into it. My mom's at work, so I have to do this all by myself, but still. I don't have any school. I finished my school completely. I'm homeschooled. I finished early, so I don't have any more school to do. So making videos will probably what I do all summer. So yeah. Right now I'm just trying to open the slime one because it's pink obviously, but it's not wanting to open. There we go. Never mind. There we go. Gonna set that right there. And now I'm gonna open the dough one. There we go. Got the, which one was this? The dough one, I think. And now the sand. I'm thinking this is like something like kinetic sand maybe, but I'm not sure yet. There, and now I have the sand. I'm gonna open I'm gonna open the pink one first. Just a normal egg. Has slime in it. What's this for? Is this to like cut the slime? I'm not gonna open the slime because I feel like it'll get like all over the bed. I don't want to risk that. Well, I guess we can open it. Okay, so it's not too sticky. It's like a jiggly water slime. I still want to know what that little circle thing is for. What's it supposed to do? I don't know. It's like a good consistency and it's jiggly, which is very fun. I don't really have any slimes like this. And then you just put it in there and then you can save it. Oh wait. Let's just hope it doesn't fall, like leak through those two holes. That'd be like devastating. Okay, now I think this is the dough one. They all come with this like circular thingy bob thing. But this one's dough, purple dough, sadly, but Oh my gosh, I just dropped it. What the freak? Smells like Easter. Literally just some nice Play-Doh. That's what it is. I know they said it's dough, which it is, but like it's just a regular old Play-Doh. So it doesn't have the best consistency. It's just like some of that like putty you can get, like that shape putty or some crap. I don't even know. But I think you have to like play with it for a bit for it to like get to its like good spot or something. But now I'm gonna flatten it out and cut it with this thing. I don't know what this is really for, but oh, is it to cut it to make it look like an egg? Because that does look like an egg, right? I don't even know. I think it's supposed to make it look like an egg. And then you can decorate that, maybe. I don't know. I have no idea. It's really good dough, though. I like it. And now for the sand one. Ooh. And this one comes with a peep cut out. So yeah, those are probably eggs. Ooh. This looks like Taki dust. If that was Taki dust, I would so eat it, but I can't. I can't. I'm not gonna like open this because it really will fall through the holes, those two holes, and I don't want to risk that, so I'm just gonna do it through the bag. That's so cute. Like a little like cutout thing. Probably use this to make cookies, maybe. I'm gonna keep this in the bag because I don't want to risk it getting all over, because then I'll I'll get in trouble, and I don't want that, because then I can't make videos or anything at all. So I'm just gonna keep it in the bag for now until I find something that I can actually put it in. But yeah, I really like it. It's fun. It's blue. But yeah, I mean, that was all the eggs, dough, slime, and sand. I really liked this. It was really fun. Thank you, Easter Bunny. And I have other eggs, but that will be for the next video. They're bigger eggs, and they have like a surprise in them. I'll be opening those for the next video, but I keep almost dropping them. This has a scratch on it. Who scratched this? Probably me trying to cut it open, but that's not the point. But there we go. Slime, dough, and sand. Tell me in the comments which ones were your favorite, or which one was your favorite. Personally, I would say the slime for me, but I'm not sure. I don't know. I like the dough and the slime and this, but my favorite was probably the slime, definitely. But wait, now I'm gonna rate each one. I don't know. I'd probably rate this one like a 9 out of 10. Then this one a 7 out of 10. And this one an 8.5 out of 10. 7.5 out of 10. So, but you can put your ratings and your favorite down below. And again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another one of my videos, even though I barely post, but that's not the point. Oh my. The slime's already starting to come out already. Like, right there, if you can't tell. But there we are, a video for you. Trying to get it into the egg. But there we go. I hope to see you guys soon. Have a good day and toodles. Oopsie. Oopsie.